Thinking about how to get your staked Ethereum back into circulation? You're not alone. Staking on Coinbase has been a fantastic way to earn rewards, but what happens when you need access to your funds or just want to change your strategy? It's a common question, and thankfully, the process of unstaking your ETH from Coinbase is straightforward. The key thing to remember is that while Coinbase makes the request simple, the actual withdrawal time is controlled by the Ethereum protocol, not the exchange. So, let's walk through the steps to get the ball rolling and cover what you need to know about those withdrawal periods. There are two main ways your ETH is staked on Coinbase, as Stake ETH, or as the liquid, tradable token, Coinbase Wrapped Stake ETH, or CBETH. If you're dealing with Stake ETH, the process starts right in your Coinbase account. First, log in and navigate to the My Assets section. Find your Ethereum balance and then specifically select the earning amount associated with your stake. Here you'll see the option to unstake. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount you wish to unstake, preview the request, and finally confirm. Now, this is where the wait time comes in. Once you confirm the unstake, your ETH enters the Ethereum network's withdrawal queue. This is a security feature built into the network. The time it takes can vary. It could be a few days to a few weeks, depending on network congestion and the number of other withdrawal requests. Coinbase doesn't add any extra lockup time, it's all dictated by the protocol. The second scenario is if you hold CBETH. This token represents your stake ETH in a tradable form. The great advantage of CBETH is that you don't have to wait for the network's unstaking queue. You can sell it immediately on the open market, or you can unwrap it back into Stake ETH. To unwrap it, go to your CBETH wallet on Coinbase, select C options under Wrap or Unwrap, and choose to unwrap CBETH for Stake ETH. Once it's unwrapped, it becomes Stake ETH again, and you can then follow the first unstaking process, including the network waiting period, if you want it as standard, unstake ETH. In summary, Stake ETH requires navigating your assets and starting the unstake process, which triggers the network-mandated waiting period. CBETH offers immediate liquidity by selling the token, or you can unwrap it to go through the standard unstaking queue. Either way, Coinbase gives you the tools you need to take back control of your asset. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.